Okay, so I'm going to try to advance the cam now. I'm at 113, and I want to be around between 108 and 110. I've heard 106, but let's try 108 first and see if we can get it. Because honest, I don't know what I'm doing at all. So if I add 5 degrees, I'll be at 108. Missed it. Let's see where it closes. So we're about 58. And I think we were at 65. So we came off quite a bit. Try again. Oof. So we'll call that 26. 26. $26. 58. We're at 106. So I heard 106, 108, 110. So we're at 106. Let's check it again. So it starts pushing about 50. Right there, we're 1 mil down, and that is 26. And that's top dead center. Now we're plus 11.3 millimeters, and now we're coming back up. $58. So that's pretty cool. I want to put some torque on those nuts, bolts. They're just little 5 mils. So, you know, check it again. Should hit at 50. here. Yep. And we should get to 26. 1 mil. It's really like 26 and a half. Okay. Okay, so now we're on this one. I'm gonna move this. Hey! I told you to come over here. Okay. Let's take this off, put it over here. Oh, my stupid tool. I don't think you're going to be able to see the thing, but maybe. I can't see the thing. So we're 19. And 68 and a half. So we're at 115 and a half. Either way, you're not getting a good look at that meter. So come around. Missed it. I'm at 52. That says 38. We're way off. Let's do the math. We're at 97. So we went way too far. 102. 26.63. Check it. 108.5. 111. So when this thing cut off, I had done all of these, and then I went all the way down the line, and so where I ended up was 28. So at 28 degrees, before top dead center, we're about what's happening? Oh, wrong stroke. So 28 degrees. We're a 0.99, a 1.0. I can get there. It's gonna go past. Went past. Start over. 28 degrees. .0. So we're 1 millimeter down, or 40 thousandths, before top dead center. Intake's opening. Intake's fully opened, closing. Bottom stroke's coming up. And we're gonna close at 61. Yeah, 61. Firing. Okay, so that gives me 106.5. So I dialed in 106 on this one, 106.5 on that one. I hit 108 twice, and I finally got it. I was gonna say that's good enough. We're off by 1.5 degrees. Or wait, no, I got 107.5. Hold on, I gotta look at the math. I got 109.5, 107.5, 107. So 26 is 108, 27 is 107, 27 and a smidge is 107.5, and then 28.61 gets me to 106.5. So now they're both dialed in the same. All I got to do is tighten up those bolts. I would say mark it, but there's not really any way to mark it. So now what happens is to our timing marks. So our timing marks are all still the same, because we're spinning the inside of this doojab. So that's about it. That's about all I can get out of it. That's me though. I'll tell you what I did, because I can't show you what I did. So I was looking for 28. So I dialed in my 28 and whatever this read, and I came over here, loosened it up, and then twisted it till it read 1.0, tightened it back down. It's gonna move a little bit, and then spin it around and check it again. Crack them loose, dial it down to 1.0, and that's how I got where I wanted to be. That's after doing it like 14, well, I'm just gonna say 57,000 times. That's how many times I did it. 57,000. But I got it. Okay, so everything's back together. Inside, cams are dialed in. I can take all this off. I can put my valve covers on. I can put my oil stuff on, and then I can take this motor and put it in the bike. Get everything almost back together, fill it full of oil, and spin it for a while and make sure we got oil circulating where we want it. I adjusted my valves already. This one seems tight. Oh, that's because it got pressure on it. Okay, cool. So does that one. Oh, there's a way to put a shim in there. You put a shim in there to close the gap, and that's supposed to make it a little bit easier, but or not. I'm gonna refer you to Brad over at Bradthebikeboy on his video for all of the technical assistance you need. I'm just doing it to do it. Entertainment purposes. Don't do what I do, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not gonna lie. I just make this up as I go along. I wanted to degree the cams, so I watched a couple of videos. Now I'm doing it. Does it mean I know how to do it? No. I'm just doing it to do it. I did it. It's done. I think I'm gonna call it for the night. Probably the next video is gonna be stabbing this in back in the frame, bolting on oil lines, oil coolers, carburetors, exhaust pipes. I can probably get all that done in one day. Slightly satisfying. This whole process is supposed to move the power band down a little bit, down below 9,000, so you don't have to rev it so high. So you're gonna hit like 9,000 and it's gonna flatten out real fast, so you're not having to live up there. I lived up there. No offense. I still don't know why that thing fell off. I broke a bolt putting it on, so it's Loctited tight. If I run a cover that I can't see through, I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet. There's some talk about these belts stretching out a little bit, and then this whole thing fades back to 108. When you tighten up the belt, it rotates this backwards. It retards it. That'll do it. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.